In last video, we seen how to create a purchase requisition for material supply items. In this video, we will see how to create a purchase order. Now the scenario is we are not doing any sourcing activity due to any business reasons, right? In that case, how we will proceed to PO creation, we will see this now. So for PO creation, navigate to create purchase order transaction. So I'm putting say create purchase order in the menu bar and navigate to create purchase order. Now this is again a similar type of screen for purchase requisition. This screen also have three views: header, item overview, and item detail. Now on, I open the header detail. First, the thing you need to do here is to select a purchase order type, right? So we have different type of purchase order types for our business, starting with Z, right? Say supply PO, as a standard supply PO, standard service work order, logistics order, import order, asset, and many more. So I select here ZSEO for supply PO. Then I select here to which supplier I want to give the purchase order. Again, this has search window. I select here. So I want to search say JSW, right? So put here say name into say star JSW star and click on say go. Now there are multiple JSW vendors. I select the applicable JSW vendor from the drop-down list, right? Then purchase organization, here will be always TPO for my group, right? Now, after these details entry, click on document overview screen, right? Here, you need to find the purchase requisition. Either you know the number beforehand, purchase requisition number beforehand, or you can search from the drop-down window. So click on this drop-down option, go to the purchase requisition. If you know the number, you can directly put it. Or if you have the plant code, you get the list on plant code also. So I know the number, so I put that number here. I clicked on execute. So I entered the purchase requisition number and I clicked on execute. So you see here I got the purchase requisition number. Here you can see the details of the purchase requisition also. If I navigate to this, say this material, 10 quantity, unit, and all those things. Right. Now there are two options wherein you can copy this requisition to a purchase order. Select the line items you want to copy. You have option to select required items only. So I select both the items in the purchase requisition. Here is option to adopt the requisition, or you can drag these items and drop into the basket, right? So I'm dragging the both items and putting in the basket. So what system will do now, if you observe, system copied the materials here, purchase requisition materials here, right? And what system is asking me now to enter the prices, right? So all details from the purchase requisition got copied here. I need to mention the final negotiated rates in the purchase order. For example, this 2400 and say this is 2800, and I hit on enter. Now next system is asking me HSN code is mandatory. So navigate to India tab. Here you can enter the required HSN code. Ideally it will copy from the master. If it is not, you need to enter the HSN code. So click on this next item screen and you maintain the HSN for the next item too. Then navigate to invoice tab. Here by default M0 tax code will be populated. Click on taxes button to check whether your taxes are correctly. If not, you have option to change the tax code. So ideally, based on HSN master, system will populate the required tax code as M0 and it will show the percentages. If not, you need to select the exact tax code from the top-down list as applicable. Okay. Then navigate to text tab. Here, if you see, we entered some text for the first line item. So if you see now, here the text or the specification of the material got copied from the purchase requisition screen. As a buyer, you can enrich this specification as required, right? If there are no any specification at material PO text, you can enter the material specifications, right? After putting all these details at item detail, I navigate to header screen. There are many fields we need to enter. At delivery invoice tab, mention the payment term. Say 60 days. We will have one more video. I will not invest much time on that. So I enter the payment term. Then I will navigate to text tab. Here, if you see, there are multiple text IDs, subject, reference, annexure to. So these are mapped to the purchase order screen. So mention the all required text here, which will be part of your PO. Say supply of steel items. You can copy these, from different Word file or Notepad file or other purchase order screen and paste here. So what I did, I copied the required text from my Word document. I copied and pasted here on reference, then annexure 2 as a SCC, then annexure 3 as a payment term, vendor contact details, my site contact details, and a list of annexures. So this will be a part of my PO print. I mentioned this here. Then I will navigate to org data tab. So if you notice, the purchase group and company code basically copied from the purchase order screen. So we not entered here on this purchase order screen, but it got copied from the purchase requisition screen. If it is not there, you need to maintain it or correct here on the org data tab. Then on next tab, if the retention is applicable, as this supply PO, retention might not be applicable. You can keep it blank or not applicable. If down payment is applicable, select say down payment, put the percentage, and put the due date of the down payment, say 3/2024. Then there is tab called Incoterms. Here mention your final negotiated Incoterms with the supplier. Then navigate to TPL additional data tab. So this is, further more details which are required for TPL business. Those are captured here. Letter of credit, bank guarantee, ABG, CPBG, right? Different payment terms. We'll be having separate video, detailed video to explain these in detail. So I'm skipping this part. Then once you are checked all, PO details mentioned correctly, click on check. If there are no messages, you click on save the purchase order. Now this PO number got saved. Now if you want to change this purchase order, again from this screen you have option, open the other purchase order screen and put the number, or I will go back to main screen. I will navigate to change purchase order now. I will enter my purchase order number here. So I put my purchase order number and hit enter. So this PO again got displayed. I can make changes, as necessary, and you can proceed. Here also we can have the same screen where we can attach the attachments. So navigate to service for object, save business documents, put the external or internal based on the requirement. Select document. And click on continue. And then click on save. So you get to see the same attachments from again, and from attachment list option, you can open these also. Right? So this is how you can create a simple PO without following the sourcing on the sourcing platform. Thank you.